get that heat going. It finally cooled down. Okay, and this week I finally got in here and I got the air compressor room set up. This room is a mess. I actually got my my shop press in here. I forgot what it was called. Got my shop press built and put in here. Got into this closet and got my air compressor shelves hooked up, and I went ahead and got these other lights in. What's crazy is, man, you can't get nothing shipped to you on time with the pandemic that we're in right now. It's just, man, I haven't been getting anything on time. I don't know how Amazon Prime's getting their stuff out to people in 2 days. So, but I did get the air compressor room not set up, but I've got the some shelves put in here, and then the air compressor. And then when it comes time, dude, on wood I was short 1 4x8 3/8 piece of plywood. But once I get farther into this, I'm just going to run the lines up the wall, and we'll have a drop. We'll have an air compressor line drop here, and then inside the shop we'll have an air compressor line drop in here to run air tools. But yeah, I just ain't got the time, man. So my door, it's been 3 weeks. I thought it was going to be a month. My door is coming in, so that is good, but I haven't got around to undoing this yet. So I've got to take all this stuff off the wall again today, and then move it into the back of the shop for the door. But I didn't want to do any more because the door wasn't in. So yep, we'll just hopefully get some heat going here, and I can start working again. Stay tuned. 2021, hoping it's going to be a better year.